All right, folks, welcome to this Delta Math review video, and thank you for showing up for your learning. Here we are looking at working with radical expressions. So these three topics: simplifying, multiplying and dividing, and adding or subtracting. So let's take a look. Simplifying radicals. If we want to express that in its simplest radical form, if we can recognize that 64 is itself 8 squared, then we would just know that that's 8. Hooray! You're going to do more of these. You just got to do more of these. Yeah, anyway. 180. Oh, we did this one in class. Okay. 180 is 36 times 5. Okay. So this is how you do these when you have to do scratch work. If you're really lost, you look at the number and you're not sure, make a factor tree. 180 divisible by 2 leaves 90. Divisible by 2 leaves 45. Divisible by 3 leaves 15. Divisible by 3 leaves 5. There's a pair of 3's and a pair of 2's. One factor of each pair jumps outside, multiplies themselves, gives us 6 root 5. 6 root 5. Okay? Why? Well, if we really want to go for it, it would look like this. The square root of 180 is equal to the square root of 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. That's what I just showed here. Okay? And then this would be equal to the square root of 2 times 3 squared. Okay, they each have 1, times the square root of 5. 2 times 3 squared, this is the square root of that. Well, that just means 2 times 3 on the outside times 5, square root of 5, equals 6 root 5. Okay, and that's how you do these. All right, I'm not going to show any more of these because we looked at a lot, and people were pretty well thumbs up on this idea, which is cool. This is fun stuff. So now multiplying and dividing them, on the other hand, root 18 divided by root 3, what will that be? Well, let's see. Well, this is how we can do these. Root 18 over root 3 is equal to, that would be root 6 times root 3 over root 3. This root 3 will cancel that root 3. It leaves you root 6. Notice how useful fractions are, people? This is all just fraction skills. Even though that's not a rational number, I can still use my rational number skills to simplify it. So, yeah. So radical does not simplify, so we are done. Yeah, no problem. There's root 40 over 6. Okay, so simplify root 40 first. Root 40 over 6 equals 2 root 10 over 6 equals root 10 over 3. How did I do that? 40 is 4 times 10. 4 is a perfect square, so I put its square root out there and left the 10 in there. 10 doesn't have any squares as factors. 2 times 5. There's no pairs of factors in 10. So that's done. This is root 10 over 3. And again, try, if these are easy, try them in your head. Do lots if you want to do more to get more practice, okay? Hooray! Now let's do adding and subtracting them. Adding and subtracting radical expressions. Ooh, this one looks interesting. Let's take a look. I see some stuff that's happening here. So try them in your head. I can do this one in my head, but now I just feel like I'm flexing on you because I only just taught this to you yesterday. 27 is 9 times 3. 9 is a perfect square. So this is minus 8 times 3 times root 3. Okay? 147 is 7 squared times 3. 49 times 3. So this is minus 3 times 7 times root 3. Okay? 147. Oh, it's not divisible by 2. Oh, it's divisible by 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So let's divide 3 out. We get 49. 49 is 7 and 7. There, we found the square. That's what came out. This is what was left inside the radical. Okay, that's how you do that. Now, just simplify. This is equal to this. This is equal to minus 8 to minus 24 root 3 minus 21 root 3. All right, and this is equal to minus 45 root 3. Hooray! Oh, this is working with radicals. You want to see another one? 3 root 6 minus 96. Okay, so 96, what's going on there? So 96, it's clearly divisible by 2 and 3, so it's divisible by 6. It is 16 root 6. That's 16 root 6. So 16 is a square. It's 4 squared. So that will be minus root 6. It will be 3 root 6 minus 4 root 6 gives me minus root 6. Hooray! So practice lots of these if you want to get some mental math practice as well. Bye for now. Absolutely hit me up with your questions by email or come find me on Tuesday. Bye for now.